Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 14 by 14 canvas and I'm going to be doing an open cup pour. In the past I have usually used white or a lighter base color, but today I'm going to change it up a bit and I'm going to be using Liquitex Basics Payne's Gray. And then the colors that I'm going to be putting into the cup, I love this color here. It's from Martha Stewart Crafts and it's called Party Streamers. It's a pearl pink. It's very pretty. And this color here I've used several times in the past. It's Aquamarine from FolkArt, and that's a metallic paint. And then I do have some FolkArt white pearl that I have in my bottle. I may add just a little bit of that into the cup as well. And so now I'm just going to get my gloves on, do a little bit of prep work, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I got my gloves on and I went ahead and put the Payne's Gray all over the canvas, and I've got my cup. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna start with the pink first. And all my colors are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. Okay guys, so it's been about 20 minutes and I will take you in for a close-up. Look at how cool this is. These colors are amazing and the cells just went crazy. Look how pretty that is. I am totally loving this. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let this dry and I will be back. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, so here's the painting all dry. I think this painting is fabulous. I love the colors. I love all of the detail that I got. I'm not sure if you guys saw that jellyfish that I poured and then I kind of didn't want to move it, but I had to because there was just too much paint. It would have cracked and then, you know, I wouldn't have liked that. So I had to stretch it out, and I'm super happy with how this looks. I think it looks beautiful. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out all my links in my description, and have a great day.